This is Tom. He's 45 years old. Tom is a maintenance engineer at a large manufacturing company. For 2 decades, his job has been to ensure that the machines operate as smoothly as possible. Until recently, his day-to-day work was characterized by tasks with tight time frames. Maintain the machine, quick, then check whether the process runs as required. He often felt rushed. Tom's employer has recently installed a predictive maintenance solution, something Tom greatly appreciates. Why? Imagine the machinery can send a message saying that a problem is brewing. The important thing is, the machine is still running. How does this intelligence work? In our example, the machine dispenses thermal conduction paste. By continuously analyzing production data, it detects that the target temperature cannot be reached. It consults the quality database and identifies the appropriate parameter set to get the machine back into stable operation. Tom approves its application. The machine adjusts itself accordingly. In the second case, the machine also detects that the temperature is deviating from the target state. It is steadily decreasing. This time, the data analysis reveals that the heating circuit is no longer functioning correctly. The circuit must be exchanged within the next 2 days. Tom can now organize a replacement part in time. This avoids losses in dispensing quality and machine downtime. Once the heating circuit is replaced, the system tests itself. Tom can put the machine back into operation immediately and close the ticket on a positive note. Ever since Tom's employer installed the predictive maintenance solution, Tom can focus on solving the problems that require his wealth of experience. The solution offers him a transparent maintenance process. Tom is still fully in the lead of the production process. Now, finally, he can work on improving the system by continuously supplementing the expert database with newly identified solutions. Working to tight time frames is a thing of the past for Tom.